Welcome, welcome, welcome back, Dine's Nation, to another show from Dine's Kitchen channel. Today I will be preparing for you stew peas, and I will use chicken for the meat. I'll take you into the 3 steps of preparing this meal. The first step is to wash your peas, that is red kidney beans, and I'll be using ½ pound of red kidney beans. Wash your beans, place it into a pot with 6 cups of water and 2 cloves of garlic, and leave to boil for ½ an hour or until tender. So I'll be right back to take you into the next step. So now guys, we'll move on to the second step, which I add the chicken, and the peas is half cooked, right? And now I will add 4 medium carrot diced and 4 Irish potato diced to the pot. So this is the next stage. So you add the meat and the carrot and Irish. Then of course you will need some spinners this size. Stew peas, you have to have spinners in there. It's a must, you have to have spinners. So we'll put some spinners in there and then allow that to cook, and then move on to the final stage of this stew peas. So now we will move to the final stage, and this stage is seasoning the pot. So we'll use some bell peppers to season the pot. So we'll cut them, wash them, and cut them. Yes, bell peppers, onion, garlic, scallion, and here we have some pepper. We cut the peppers, and we have some thyme. And we'll add this to the pot along with some coconut milk and pimento. So now the coconut milk is ready to go into the pot. We add the coconut milk. Then we add the vegetables. stew peas is going to taste delicious. Coconut milk, and then we'll add our pimento and our all-purpose seasoning. Now we'll allow this to simmer, thicken and simmer. So we'll be right back. So guys, I will be serving the stew peas with some brown rice. Here I add some thyme, a piece of pepper and some scallion to season the water. And I'll allow this to come to a boil and season. Then I'll add the brown rice and get back to you. So guys, welcome back. This is your stew peas served with steamed brown rice and a serving of steamed vegetable. So like, subscribe and share the videos. Enjoy this meal and see you in my next video. One love.